that shift from a killing logic of hate, which is now embodied in the poisons in our food and our agriculture, that same logic is also destroying the very basis of health. These same group of companies invented the toxic chemicals that are driving our insects, our butterflies, our bees to extinction. The same companies invented glyphosate that is wiping out the biodiversity of plants and giving us cancer and kidney failure. And these same companies make profits out of the diseases they are spreading because they also sell the cancer drugs. That is why we must break free of the poison cartel for freedom on life on earth, for freedom for all people, for freedom from sickness and disease, and freedom from slavery of a new kind, a slavery of the poison cartel. The poison cartel is the tiny group of companies that were mobilized during the war to, on the one hand, domestically in Germany, kill people in concentration camps by creating gases that were designed to kill, like the Xylon B. During the war, there was a company called Monsanto and Bayer. Bayer has just bought up Monsanto, and again we have a cartel of three. Bayer has merged with Monsanto, Syngenta has merged with ChemChina, and Dow has merged with DuPont. Precisely at the time we think we are getting richer because 1% became super billionaires and trillionaires, at that time the young people are having to rise and say, we have to take care of our future. Food is created for all. We are connected to food, and yet 1 billion people are starving. Food is supposed to be for nourishment and health, and yet the 75% of the disease epidemic, of chronic diseases, of cancers, of neurological problems, of autism, of obesity, of diabetes, of endocrine disruption are all related to the same poisons, same chemicals, same pesticides that are pushing the bees to extinction and contributing to climate change. But it's in our hands to heal the earth. It's in our hands to heal our bodies. It's in our hands to heal our broken democracy by taking power away from the poison cartel. And that's why we've launched a campaign for poison-free food and farming. That's in our hands to do by creating communities, by not allowing poverty to be defined as lack of money, but poverty to be defined as lack of potential. Each of us, joining hands with others, can create communities of solidarity, food communities, so that everyone has good food. Every butterfly has good food and isn't killed. Every child has good food.